Hello, we're at Pathways to Professions 2025. Very excited to be here. I'm going to take you all on a little journey and kind of stop by each vendor or booth and see what everybody has to offer.
Is a no-cost training and educational program funded by the Department of Labor for low-income individuals 16 to 24, although the age limit is waived if the individual discloses having a disability.
Okay.
If they are not in track to graduate or they didn't graduate, they can come to us and get their high school diploma or their GED, or if they already have it, they can still come to us and get any of the certified trades.
Waco is a job shop, machine shop.
Very cool.
We contract. We do work for contracting of other companies.
Yep.
We make products, whatever they need. They come to us with a blueprint, and we manufacture it according to the blueprint.
Neat. What are we looking at here?
This is a console from a machine,
okay.
A CNC machine, and this is simulating manufacturing this part right here.
Wow. Okay, so you punch in the right numbers and the right formula.
We have programmers that program the whole entire operation. Like I said, it gets downloaded, and then the operator sets it up and runs it.
Very cool.
Yes, I'm Craig Kissinger, Director of Human Resources for National Tube Supply. We're a distributor of mechanical tube across North America. So we buy steel from the steel mills, bring it in bulk into our inventory, and then sell it to customers and cut it to length based on their specification.
This is phenomenal to have the kids to have an opportunity for career exploration, get a chance not only to see what the orbit is of opportunities for work, but also understand from an employment aspect, getting hands-on with material. You have the Habitat for Humanity, and on behalf of Midland States Bank, what we offer is the financial education and empowerment.
Okay, now I'm with the head planner extraordinaire. Is that your official title for Pathways to Professions?
Sure, we'll go with that.
Added to her existing job title, but Pam Rodriguez. And talk to me, Pam, about how you think the event's going. I know it's still going on over there, but what kind of feedback are you getting and what have you seen?
Yeah, everything's going great. Of course, we have a few bumps on the road, but getting great feedback. Students are really engaged. The chaperones are telling me how excited they are even for next year. So that's always great.
All right, we've been going around. Now I'm lucky to be joined by Caroline Portlock. What excites you about Pathways to Professions?
You know what I love is that we have people here that are interested in different things, right? We've got over 130 vendors, and each one of those vendors represent a business or a career pathway. And what I told kids when I got on the bus to greet them is that you don't even know what you don't know until you know it.
Right.
So the only way you're going to know it is to ask questions.
Oh my gosh, this is fantastic. This is year 3 of volunteering, so I would say I'm a veteran volunteer.
Yes, you've been here from the start.
Yes, I have been here from the start. This is by far the biggest event that they've had, the most students, the most employers as well. I've watched so many kids so engaged with the employer, and the employers come out with some really cool interactive things to get the students involved. So from a volunteer perspective, I get to lead the kids around, but it's cool to see the connections that they're making.
I agree. I know this is your baby, so I just want to hear, how's it going?
Yes, I am so overwhelmed with joy. This is actually larger than we expected.
Wow.
Almost 1,000 kids, 135 vendors, 15 schools.
Holy
and
cow.
Yes, and for the community portion of this event, which starts at 2 o'clock after the field trip, we have about 200 pre-registration for the job fair.
That's a great number.
Yes, and I'm sure we're going to have people just walk in. So, you know, I just cannot thank our team enough. This was definitely a team effort, and just the engagement and the partnerships that we forged from being in the community. It's really great to see. It just warms my heart.